15. Diagonal brush knee and push. Step the right foot diagonal back and turn right 135 degrees to face the right back corner. And then turn left 180 degrees to face the left front corner. You finish with a bow stance. The footwork. Pay attention to how to move your feet when you shift your body weight and make the turns. When you turn left 180 degrees, shift all your weight to your right foot. Lift your left heel and turn your body 90 degrees to the left. Then step your left foot to the left front corner. Shift your body weight to your left foot and then adjust your right foot to complete the 180-degree turn with a bow stance. The hands and upper body movements. While you are making a 180-degree turn to the left, your left hand is diagonal down to the left. Your right hand is pushing forward in a spiral motion. 15. Diagonal brush knee and push. Pay attention to the coordination of your hands, body, and feet.